Hi, Martin here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the CV boot clamps on your CV joints. I purchased the pliers that you're going to require for this. I got these and the clamps on Amazon, and I'll put links down in the description below where you can purchase these and anything else you want to purchase on Amazon. So I recently replaced the axle shafts on my '01 Dodge Dakota. And when I was replacing one of the shocks, just a little while later, I discovered one of the clamps was missing. It probably popped off, broke, whatever, and it was gone. And it was spraying out grease out of there. So I got this as soon as I could, and because I don't want to lose that axle after just replacing it. So I'll show you how to use one of these. This is going to be my first time too, so let's get started. Well, first I want to show you what a mess I got underneath here. The sway bar right there, I just wiped it off. There was that much on there. And as you can see, it is a huge mess down here. And I better get on this real fast, otherwise I'm going to lose this axle as well. And then, yeah, we got to replace the grease that has flung out of this thing too. So I'm going to get this cleaned up and get that grease pumped back into that thing. Well, I got this area cleaned up a little bit, and here I got the boot pulled off. As you can see, it's not dry by any means, but I'm going to pump some grease into that with my grease gun here. This is a Molly type grease that I have. Looks pretty much identical to what was in there as far as color goes. Here I'm just getting some grease pumped into the CV itself. I'll get the boot back on here. Oh, I can feel it now. It's not on the top part of the CV. There. And naturally, it would be a lot easier to install one of these clamps if the axle was out of the vehicle. But removing the axle from the vehicle is a project in itself. So I'm going to give this a try. Okay, I got it clamped on there. Just like that. He's got like little teeth on them, and they grab those holes along the clamp here. Okay, now using the pliers that I got from Lindsay. Now grasping onto that clamp with that square notch that pokes out, using the pliers, start squeezing the handles together to about right there. That's pretty good. There. We got it. Alright, well, I've been driving the truck now for a couple weeks, inspected everything. The clamp's holding up great. I went ahead after wiping it all down. I took some of this super clean right here, sprayed all that down, and then took it to the car wash and washed all that off of there, so it's all nice and grease free. This stuff works really well. I want to thank you, Super Clean, for sending this out to me. Awesome stuff. And then the tool I got from Lindsay, this works really well. Made the job easy, you know, it did exactly what it's supposed to do. And then when I got the clamps on Amazon, they come with both the small and the large clamps. I think these were sets of 10 that I got. So you can do both the small and the large end of that clamp. All right, well, if you found this video helpful and informative, sure appreciate the thumbs up. And if you never subscribed to me before, please hit that subscribe button right down there and that little bell symbol right next to it. And that way you get notified the next time I upload a video. And always share this video with your vast social media. I sure appreciate that. And like I was saying before, I got the Amazon links down below. You can do all your Amazon shopping through one of those links, and that way the channel earns a small commission. I sure appreciate that. All right, thanks again, and we will see you on the next one.